Greetings, my name is Corina Ilinca and I'm going to tell you today about long-term and short-term predictors of worries about getting Alzheimer's disease. I worked on this paper with Professor Stephen Cutler and it was one of my first research papers. I learned a lot from him on how to do research to publish it. We published it in the European Journal of Aging in 2015 and we also presented it at the Alzheimer Europe conference in that particular year. You can see here the handout we used back then. Our research refers to how Alzheimer's disease relates to psychological well-being because it generates higher levels of fear than any other disease. For this, we took a long-term perspective and we used 10 measures of self-perceived cognitive functioning collected between 1992 and 2010 in the Health and Retirement Study by University of Michigan. Our research was on people 50 years of age and older at the time of their entrance into the study. And we also included demographics, marital status, age, education and gender, beliefs about the role of genetics in AD, and personal knowledge of someone with AD as controls. We use structural equation modeling and the full information maximum likelihood procedure. You can see here descriptive statistics of our variables and also the conceptual diagram. Basically, we predicted worry about getting Alzheimer's disease using self-rated memory and 10 repeated measures of it, and past memory also with 10 repeated measures. We controlled for education, age, marital status, gender, beliefs, and personal familiarity. We found that long-term effects of cognitive self-assessment and short-term effects of beliefs and personal familiarity have an influence on worries about getting Alzheimer's disease. And we stress the importance of these variables for someone's subjective psychological well-being. Thank you very much for listening to me.